Is now the right time to buy or sell the TQQQ ETF? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into TQQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, November 8, 2023. Today, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Staying informed is crucial when it comes to making investment decisions. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from November 2, 2023, our system has identified TQQQ as a promising investment opportunity, giving it a score of 2.23. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 7.85%. This means that, on average, it has provided a return of 1.57% per day since it was recommended as a buy candidate. Based on the current 3-month trend, it appears that there might be a potential decrease of -11.90% over the next 3 months. This means the return could range from -32.23% to -11.90%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a possible increase of 84.24% over the next year. This could result in a return ranging from 49.42% to 154.79%. In terms of price, this would mean a range of $58.50 to $99.75 after 1 year. Our latest update for TQQQ shows that the ETF price increased by 0.179% on Wednesday. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, November 8, 2023, the TQQQ ETF price rose from $39.08 to $39.15, marking a gain of 0.179%. This is the 9th consecutive day that the ETF has experienced gains. It's not common for ETFs to gain for so many days in a row, so we can expect some downward movement in the coming days. Throughout the last trading day, the ETF's price fluctuated between a low of $38.43 and a high of $39.43, representing a 2.6% change. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 9 of them and has seen a total increase of 19.47% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 8 million shares on the last day, with a total of 93 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $3.65 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume on higher prices can indicate a divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price that the ETF reached was $47.14, while the lowest price was $16.10. Currently, the price is 16.95% below the 52-week high, which is equivalent to $7.99, and it's also 79.49% below the all-time high recorded on January 8, 2021, when the price reached $190.88. Today, we'll take a look at the signals for TQQQ. The chart shows mostly positive signals for the TQQQ ETF. Both the short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals confirms a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there is support from the lines at $36.77 and $35.93. However, a breakdown below these levels would trigger sell signals. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 26.86%. This upward trend is expected to continue until a new top pivot is reached. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, it's important to note that volume fell during the last trading day despite the increase in prices. This divergence between volume and price could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it's advisable to closely monitor the ETF. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. One signal to consider is the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently indicating a buy signal. Another signal to take note of is the pivots, which also showed a buy signal 10 days ago. The Bollinger signal is also suggesting a buy, observed 10 days ago. Additionally, the short-term moving average signaled a buy 7 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicated a buy 6 days ago. If we examine the relation between the short and long moving averages, the buy signal was observed 2 days ago. Moving on to the 12-month chart, the short moving average signaled a buy 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, on the other hand, showed a buy signal 22 days ago. Analyzing the relation between the short and long moving averages, we see a buy signal 28 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. TQQQ has some important support levels to keep an eye on. Just below today's level, there is accumulated volume support at $35.70 and $34.47. When an ETF is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the current support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. For TQQQ, the next support levels from accumulated volume are at $35.70, $34.47, and $30.86. It's important to note that TQQQ can be quite volatile, meaning it can experience significant price movements throughout the day. This makes it a high-risk ETF. Currently, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval for TQQQ. Looking at the recent performance, TQQQ had a $1 price difference between its high and low during the last day, representing a 2.6% change. Over the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 3.03%. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for TQQQ. If the market shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $39.34. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be a good idea to wait until this level is broken before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if TQQQ experiences a decline, it encounters its first support level at $35.70. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. We recommend setting the stop loss at $37.87, which is a decrease of 3.28%. This particular ETF experiences significant daily movements, which inherently carries a higher level of risk. However, it's important to note that we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was discovered 9 days ago. Is the TQQQ ETF a good investment? Although the ETF is currently experiencing a downward trend, there are several positive short-term signals indicating a potential buying opportunity. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For Thursday, November 9th, we anticipate that TQQQ will open with a decline of $0.147 and begin trading at $39. Before we dive into the exciting world of trading, let's keep in mind that it comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Remember, the information provided by StockInvest.us is for educational purposes only and should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to discuss the current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Let's engage in a meaningful discussion. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a beautiful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.